Hello friend, how is it going? Welcome back to Toyota Maintenance YouTube channel. You already saw on this channel this 2001 4Runner, and the reason was, I believe, because I feature it for you because the owner bought it with original only like 110,000 miles on the clock. It came today for a very basic maintenance. It's requested by the owner the engine oil and filter change, and also transfer case for that four-wheel drive system, transfer case oil change. But as you know me, I have a problem. Instead of starting the job and working on it and just get it out and move on the next car, I'm just looking for him for all the stuff. I'm checking everything, if everything is fine, before I even started working. So I checked here the transfer case. Well, that I have filmed a million times for you, so I will be not doing that. Here you can see that four-wheel drive system, the front CV axles and everything, front differential. So that's all good. And of course, while I'm looking, I'm pulling and pushing on the things to just check everything for him. And I have discovered excessive play on this front passenger side wheel. So as I go around, I was grabbing this wheel and I'm like, oh, I have a movement. I can hear a little bit of sound, so definitely this wheel has a play. Of course, I compare it with the other one, which we can see immediately. Let's just move you really quick. And there's no play at all. So I'm like, okay, is it the inner tie rod and in the steering? You can clearly observe that these both dust boots, they have some kind of oily residue here. This is question if it's active. I believe it's not, it's from the past. If you look at this one, there is also some kind of oily residue. But what I discovered, it's a little bit unusual. You don't see it very often. So please closely observe this entire area. Maybe I will put you right here. What do you say? And bring you a little bit higher. Because most of the time it's the inner tie rod and in that steering rack. But today it's different. Let me show you. I'm pretty sure you see the movement and you hear the sound also. Do you see it right here? It's actually not that inner tie rod end which will be clicking right here. The bushing, which is right here around the steering rack, has space, has a play. It's not that the bolts will be loose. There is one bolt and one nut. But it's the bushing which basically shrank, and it's causing this play on this wheel. If I back you a little bit away from it, let's do it here. You will see one more time. There is a play, but it's not inside here. It's actually the whole side. This side, it's coming up and down, and is creating this play. So it's pretty unusual. You don't see this very often. The remedy is order this bushing. It's a piece of rubber which has a opening right there. So you don't have to remove all of this and try to come from this side. It's actually cut right here. You hopefully see it. That allows it to take it off, put it around back and install it. So it shouldn't be very time consuming. The part shouldn't be very expensive. And I have to put it in the notes for him. So as we learn, it Doesn't matter that it has today only 114,000 miles, very low mileage, very rare find definitely. Hopefully you enjoyed this video and please be subscribed. I have way more coming your way soon. Thanks for watching and have a great day, my friend.